I'm on my way to go get some bees. Trying to start the smoker. You can see it. Okay, here's my bee juice. He said 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water, which I think is the same for hummingbirds. I'm grabbing 5 frames. I think they have an official name. I'm gonna put these in the beehive and then put them in the beehive. I don't know. There's my crepuscular race. Looks like a 4-year-old's high school project. My smoker went out already. Gonna put in, I guess they go this way for now.
So how do you get them to go in your box?
I put their frames inside here.
Oh. You have to lift them up and put them in?
Yeah.
Comes Daddy.
I don't know if I have to leave 1 frame out for the food. Probably. I don't know. We got bees. Now watch what happens when we smoke them. Now cleared off the top. Trying to spot the queen. I guess that's it. They really like my son. bee box though. They'll find their way home. Providing I didn't kill the queen. Seems like I killed a lot of them. So apparently I got them all over my back. That's today's bee adventure. I gotta go get the food and feed them. Already got a bird that came over here trying to eat my bees. He's hopping around doing bee-eating bird things. Grammy had to pull over in her car to watch so she didn't get stung. Great idea, actually. But she's taking some of my bees with her. They're gonna be disappointed if they can't find the coop. The bee coop? Yeah, it's over there.